other day, SaltEcrafter was having a salty walk in the park while she was thinking about the pretty salty feelings she had about the pancake art kit by Guava Juice. Lo and behold, there appears out of nowhere a huge bucket of slime. Was SaltEcrafter going to pick it up and review it? The answer is heck yeah. And so, this week's victim, you guessed it, another YouTuber's product. We all know how I feel about YouTubers' products because it's just sold based on name, not quality. Especially if you need to Photoshop the actual end result of your product, that tells me that something's wrong. Before we begin, a couple of weeks ago in my community tab, I asked you guys what you want me to call you. We need a name. I mean, Nerdy Family is pretty cool, but we need something to identify us together because we're pretty salty. Too much. Overwhelmingly, so many of you said Salt Shakers. But now I'm going to put the vote here on YouTube, so make sure you click on the iCard section and vote. The choices will be Salt Shakers or Saltines. For those of you who don't know what saltines are, it's just another way to say crackers because pretty sure I can't use that as a term of endearment. And I'll put a couple of other choices up there, so I'll definitely go with the majority. Whatever you want to be called, I'll do it, because I want to please you guys. If you want to shout out in my Friday video, don't forget to hashtag Nerdification Squad in the comment section below within the first 45 minutes of a video's release, or hashtag NerdyCrafter on Instagram anytime with any of your creations. This kit cost me $20 US. For those of you who don't know, Guava Juice is a very popular YouTube channel that does DIYs and other random challenges. And just to be very clear, I am not talking about the YouTuber. I am going after the product. Is the product worth your money or is it not? Because some of you will be like,
but Jackie, you're just being negative and attacking YouTubers because you're so jealous. They have millions of subscribers and you have nothing.
If trying to save you some money is a crime, then I'm a criminal. Let's open this and see what's inside. It did come already kind of massacred, but you know, that's not the product's fault, it's Target's fault. How do we open this? Scissors, this way, I guess. There we go. There you go. So here's what we get inside. White craft glue, about 240 mils, clear PVA solution, slime activator. Interestingly enough, this activator is actually clear compared to the Craft City one by Karina Garcia, which was blue, so you really couldn't get a clear slime. So I'm really excited to try this one out. Another interesting fact, the Karina Garcia one and this slime kit are made by the same brandable company. And then we get 2 scents, garlic and guava. Guava! There you go, guava juice, right? I was hoping that the pancake would have garlic flavor, but now we're getting guava scent. Let's smell that stuff. Ew, wait. This is supposed to smell like guava. Guava is a very pleasant, sugary, fruity scent. Why did this make me want to puke? I'm gonna take another whiff. Maybe it was the plastic. Let's try again. No. It smells like acid reflux. This is not guava! If guava smells bad, I don't want to know what garlic's gonna smell like.
Oh hell no!
Oh my god. Of course, it's garlic. It's supposed to be nasty. That's the idea. That's the novelty of this scent. I probably want to avoid this just because I don't want my whole craft room smelling like garlic for the next few days. And I don't want to use the guava because I don't want it to smell like puke for the next few days. We're getting 6 color tablets, glow-in-the-dark powder, glitters in trashy gold and trashy silver, googly eyes, and rainbow styro beads. It's pretty cute. And lastly, a stirring stick and the instructions, which we will be following to the T. Let's make you see the instructions. So here I am, you can see me. I'm going to disappear now and you're going to be able to see the instructions as they are. Here I go. I'm gone, but you can still hear me. So if you want to pause and see that we are following it exactly, you can do that because I'm pretty sure I'm doing it right. And I'm gonna come back now. And you know what? I'm not going to avoid the scent because I think that is part of the experience. It's just, I'm probably gonna gag. All right, so here we go. We're going to start by making the clear slime. We need 8 tablespoons of this thing. I don't know why I'm stuttering. So since I have only a half tablespoon, I'm gonna do 16 of these. I don't know if you guys can see it, so we used the 8 tablespoons, which equals to about half the bottle. We could have used a measuring cup for that. According to the instructions, if I want to add any of the scents, I should be adding it right now. Nowhere does it say, am I adding 10 drops, 5 drops? I don't know. It says stem, which means I should be learning something. How much of the scent will it react chemically with something? Will it actually make the activator less activatey? I checked on his video. Let's see his video.
We have to add some kind of scent here. So we're gonna do the guava scent. Guava. There you go.
So I guess I just need to shake it and say, there you go. That's what I'm gonna do. All right, let's just do that. Oh my God, it's gonna smell so bad. It's a huge nozzle. I don't know what he meant by there you go. There you go. It's almost finished. Maybe in the glue it smells different. Absolutely not. Now we're going to be dissolving the color tablets in 1 tablespoon of water. Remember, these are halves. All right, so as it says on the instructions, on step 4 is slowly add 5 teaspoons of slime activator. And then step 5, it says, then slowly mix the ingredients. So I'm not stirring it in as I'm putting it. That's what it says. Even in the video, he pours it and then mixes it. So we need 5 of these. Alright, so the idea is to mix it slowly. I don't know how slowly is, but it's gonna keep going. Alright, so I've been stirring for the last 5 minutes. So the clear slime is not clear. It is translucent, as they mentioned over here. That's why it says clear slime. So you're not getting anything clear, you're getting this cloudy, sticky slime. So I'm gonna keep kneading it. I'm sure it'll stop being sticky because that's what he said in his video, even though it looked like it's stuck on his finger. Check the clip.
Well, it's not even sticking to my hand, which is amazing. This, if you have too little or something. Huh? Why you always lying? Oh my God. Bruh.
If you can't tell, I am avoiding putting it anywhere near my face because I can smell it right now and I really want to puke. So I've been kneading it for the last 10 minutes to see if I can get it to stop sticking, but as you can see, it doesn't stop sticking. Even though he says, you know, this is good quality slime.
Slowly mix it up and then you will have yourself the best slime ever. Oh yeah! High quality slime here.
A lot of you seem to be very upset about this kind of texture. That's the slime you're getting. Don't expect it to be, first of all, transparent. If you want transparent slime or clear slime, you can check out, I think, Cute Life Hacks or Macaroon. It's like snot. Now we're going to be making the non-clear slime, so we need to dissolve the color tablets in 12 tablespoons of water. I actually want to try to make purple. Last time when we made the Karina Garcia bath bomb kits, when I tried to make purple, they ended up becoming gray. So let's find out if these are the exact same tablets. Alright, so this is the white craft glue. I don't know if I was supposed to shake it, but yeah, this is what it looks like. I don't know why it's separated. Here it is after stirring. This is the texture you're getting. A lot more firm. It's actually purple. It still does stick to your fingers. I'll let you guys decide whether or not this is the texture of slime that you prefer. So the more I'm playing with it, the less sticky it is. Still droopy. All right, so this is officially non-sticky. If you try to pull it, it does stretch. It has times where instead of stretching, it starts to tear. So as you saw how we bounced the other one, yeah, no. No bouncing going on that one. Time to find out. Is this kit worth it? If you're new to SaltEcrafter, we always like to start with the cons, so make sure you've prepped your cookie or water. You're bringing some salt, so make sure you bring some salt too. So the first thing I noticed is, why are there no measuring cups? They're telling us to use teaspoons and tablespoons, but the actual measurements are pretty big. Why didn't they include that in there? It was pretty annoying have to go through all these measurements. Okay, guava juice. Why is guava scent the most disgusting thing I've smelled in the longest time. For those of you who've had the misfortune of having acid reflux, that is exactly what it smells like. And the gagging was not even me exaggerating it. It was just so nasty. There are a few things wonky with the instructions. So the third con is about why is it that I have to use 7 spoons of the colored one for the clear slime, or just 8 normal water for the clear slime. So it wasn't making any sense. Why a different measurement for colored water versus just normal water? Speaking of learning experience, the box says STEM. However, there's zero explanation whatsoever on what we're doing, why we're doing it, and how can we solve an issue should the reaction be a little more different. I feel like a lot of YouTubers are just putting the word STEM on the front so that it can appeal to parents, or, you know, easier for kids to convince parents to buy these. You know what? I'm gonna make my 5th con the guava smell again. I'm still very traumatized right now. If you don't want to count it, I'm counting it again with the instructions. What's going on with the scent? How much am I supposed to put of it? Does it chemically react with the glue or the activator? We just have no instructions specifically on how to use it. If you're going to look at this cost-wise, it is $20 US, and you can make about 4 slimes with this kit. So in essence, it costs you $5 per slime. So many of you said that you can make way more with $20. Even though I followed the instructions to the T for the clear slime, it is a liquidy mess. It's not really something that you can play with unless you're just looking to cover something entirely with slime and then spend the next 20 minutes trying to get it off. So unless there's an inside joke, I don't understand why there's garlic scent. I could see the point in making something weird scented. I don't know, nacho chips scented, ketchup scented, or butter scented. Something still weird, but not repulsive. Because garlic is repulsive even to the kids. As a kid, it's not something that you would use and want to smell constantly. So now that we've mixed our colorant in a bowl, we have all that left over. So unless you're planning on making the same colored slime again, which most likely not, you're going to have to throw that out. So I don't understand why we have that much left over. I understand photoshopping for videos. I understand to a certain extent minor clickbait. If you need to actually clickbait your own product that you have to sell, that to me is not good practice. If you actually have to show the googly eyes looking super cool and standing out and all facing the same direction, it's like, whoa, that is so cool, but that's not what you're getting. Yeah, I'm getting a little agitated. On to the pros. This kit does have way more accessories than the Karina Garcia Slime Craft City ones. So we do get googly eyes, we get glitter, we get scents, we get beads, so the variety is there. These accessories and extra things do come in sealable bags, so Salty approved. Although not entirely great, the instructions do help you get a better end product for the non-clear slime than the Craft City one, so they're a little friendlier. It does have playability. It's slime. If done correctly, the kids will create something and then afterwards they will play with the something they've created. With that said, considering the fact that it's not a great kit, but it is better than the Craft City kit, I give this a 5.5 on 10 dorks. There are so many things that could be improved on. Considering half of the slime you're making is not that great quality, you have to kind of tweak the ingredients and add a little more activator if you want it to be a little more usable. Also, stay away from these scents. It's pretty nasty. So is it worth it? That is entirely up to you. So many of you have tagged me on the Lore DIY kits. I'm actually going to pick them up right after I finish recording this video, so get ready for that next week. If you want to watch another salty video, make sure you click up here, and if you want to watch a crafting video, make sure you click down there. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until then, stay salty, and don't forget to do that vote. I want to know what to call you.